CRC Worldviews and News. Important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 27th of May 2025. In Pakistan, a 16-year-old Christian girl, Jessica Iqbal, was abducted by a 32-year-old man, Azimullah, and subjected to forced conversion and forced marriage. Magistrate Hassan Sarfraz said that we are happy that the girl converted to Islam and sent the innocent girl with Azim. Boko Haram attacks are increasing in Cameroon. Ali and his family left everything and fled from the countryside to the mountains to save their lives, but they are still afraid that they will find them and harm them. George William adds that Fulani herdsmen attacked their church. At that time, 70 people were worshipping, many were forced to flee, during which more than 20 people were injured. These attacks are common throughout the sub-Saharan region. He said that often people are also killed. Pastor Li revealed the difficulties of Christians in China and said that the Chinese government has banned Christian songs. Now new Christian songs will be made that will be in accordance with the instructions given by the government. Jeff Delary Maple said during the annual event in Dallas that various types of violence against children, including physical and mental violence, are unacceptable in Christianity. And action must be taken against those who do business through them. Orthodox Father Bartholomew was attacked in Greece, which left him with facial injuries and broken ribs. This attack was carried out by people in the area who do not follow any religion. Father Bartholomew said that they are preventing us from worshipping, but we will continue to worship. The orphanage in Togo, from which many Christians are serving the country and nation after receiving education, was closed due to threats and attacks. Emmanuel Atsu says that it was a shelter for many children whose parents died in the war. We take you to Congo, where Moise Ambani says that attacks on Christians have claimed many lives. Children are enslaved and girls are sexually abused and boys are taken for hard labor, he said, but still he remains a Christian. From Eritrea, Behran says that a plane dropped a bomb near a UN shelter, injuring many people who were working in the fields. The shelter was not damaged, but he has many concerns about safety. Diselin Gedibo says that many people are being affected by the civil war in Ethiopia, which is preventing Christians from worshipping and when worship is taking place. Most people are injured in the attacks. There are still many injured in the hospital. If you liked our video and want to watch more, subscribe our channel. A reliable source of information, stay connected with CRC News.